So here we have a diagrammatic representation of the right hand thumb rule. Here you can consider this to be the current carrying conductor which is held in your right hand. So you are holding a current carrying conductor in your right hand. The thumb is pointing upwards. So the thumb will indicate the direction of the electric current. So this indicates that the current is moving in the upward direction. Whereas the fingers have been curled around the conductor. Now the direction in which the fingers have been curled is the anti-clockwise direction. So the direction of the magnetic field is indicated by the curled fingers which are in the anti-clockwise direction. So the magnetic lines of force or magnetic field lines or magnetic field, it's in the anti-clockwise direction. So how can we write the rule here? Imagine that you have held the conductor in your right hand in such a way that your thumb points in the direction of the current. So thumb is pointing in the direction of the current, that is upwards. Then turn your fingers around the conductor. The direction of the fingers is the direction of the magnetic lines of force. So the direction in which the fingers have been curled will indicate the direction of the magnetic field. So here if we assume that this is a current carrying conductor and I'm having my thumb here. So the thumb is pointing in the direction of the current, that is upward direction, and the curled fingers. The fingers have been curled in this direction, that is the anti-clockwise direction. So the direction in which the fingers are moving is the anti-clockwise direction. So that is the direction of the magnetic field. So this is what is the right hand thumb rule. The right hand thumb rule is also sometimes called as the Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Now here we have a corkscrew and we will try to understand the right hand thumb rule with respect to the corkscrew rule. If a right-handed corkscrew is assumed to be held along the conductor and the screw is rotated such that it moves in the direction of the current, direction of magnetic field is same as that of the rotation of the screw. So here we have the screw and we are rotating the screw. The direction in which the screw is moving is the direction of the current. So if we are piercing the screw, it is moving in this direction, that is downwards. So that is the direction of the current. And the direction in which the screw is rotating, that is the direction of the magnetic field. Here suppose the direction that is shown in which the screw is rotating is this. So this is the anti-clockwise direction. So the direction in which the screw is rotating is the direction of the magnetic field. Once again we will read this rule here. If a right-handed corkscrew is assumed to be held along the conductor and the screw is rotated such that it moves in the direction of the current. So the screw is rotating in the direction of the current. The direction of the magnetic field is same as that of the rotation of the screw. The direction in which the screw is rotating is the same as the direction of the magnetic field. So right hand thumb rule is also sometimes referred to as the Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Let us demonstrate the Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Here you can see in my hand I have got a corkscrew, and what am I going to do is I am going to rotate this screw, and when I am rotating the screw you can see that more of it is coming in front. More and more is coming in front as I am rotating. So the direction in which the screw is moving, that is this one. You can see that it is moving in this direction. So the direction in which the screw is moving is the direction of the current. At the same time, you can even notice the direction in which my fingers are moving when I'm rotating. So when I'm rotating, my fingers are moving this way. So the direction in which my fingers are moving is the same as the direction in which the screw is moving. And the direction in which my fingers or the screw is moving is the direction of the magnetic field. So that is the Maxwell's corkscrew rule.